Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about top AI side hustles that you can start this year with little to no money. So if you want to create additional sources of income by utilizing the power of AI, make sure to watch this video till the end. So the very first one on our list is going to be image enhancement or image improvement. So as you guys know, a lot of people have been making full-time income doing things like retouching photos or upscaling images or turning old black and white photos into colored images. And the great thing is that these days you don't have to take weeks or months learning that skill and invest in expensive software. You can actually outsource this process to AI. So one of the tools that I personally like using for this one is going to be Media.io. I have partnered with them in the past. They're not sponsoring this video, but I did want to show you one of their tools because I do think there can be a huge market for this. So pretty much what you can do is you can use one of the enhancement tools and take this black and white photo. It could be somebody's grandparents and turn this into a more modern photo with colors. I think this actually could be a really great gift for somebody's grandparents. So there are actually people on Upwork and Fiverr that would sell these services. So if you're interested in using this tool, I will list it down below. Okay guys, and the next one on our list is affiliate blogs. So I know a lot of people think that blogging is dead. No, it is not. In fact, blogging is actually one of the best ways to make passive income. I don't know about you guys, but oftentimes when I'm trying to decide between different products or services, I often just go to Google and type in something like best software for video editing or best vacuum cleaners or best computer monitors. And what you notice is that most times the top search results are actually blog posts. So if you want to get into blogging, one of the easiest niches would be something like product reviews. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Amazon and type in vacuum cleaner, and then we're going to sort by average customer review. Now we're going to copy the links from those vacuum cleaners and put them into ChatGPT. Make sure the links that you're using are the affiliate links that you can get through signing up for the Amazon Associates program. And we're going to type in create a blog post about 5 top rated vacuum cleaners on Amazon. And here you go. Within a few seconds, we have a blog post. So you could invest into your own blogging domain. You can sign up for WordPress, or you can also get started for free with platforms such as Medium. So in case you didn't know, Medium is a huge blogging platform that allows you to get started for completely free. You can also get paid if you join the Medium Partner Program. And the nice thing is that Medium is almost like a social media network, so you're going to get a lot of organic traffic. So I've personally watched so many different videos about blogging. I also just recently created my own blog section on my website if you want to check it out down below. But I do think overall blogging is a great way to make passive income as well as drive more traffic to your website. Oh, and by the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, please make sure to hit that by the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, please make sure to hit that like button because as you know, it really helps small YouTubers like myself grow on this platform. And in general, if you enjoy content about side hustles, passive income, and entrepreneurship, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do release a new video every week. Now let's get back to the video. So the next one on our list is print on demand using AI. So I mentioned this side hustle a few different times, but pretty much there are a lot of different tools that you can use to generate different t-shirt or like cup designs or different graphics that you can then upload on platforms like Redbubble or Teespring, which are print-on-demand platforms. And every time somebody is interested in your design and they want to purchase it, those print-on-demand platforms will print the t-shirt for you, ship it to the customer, deal with all returns, and pretty much do all the fulfillment. So pretty much what you can do is you can use another AI tool called ChatGPT 4, which is the premium version of ChatGPT. In all transparency, this tool is not free. However, I do think this could be a good investment considering the income potential that this tool can bring. So let's go on ChatGPT and type in create a, let's say, neon t-shirt for a bachelor party, since I know most of my viewers are all male. If you have a bachelor party coming up, this could be a good idea. So what I like about ChatGPT 4 is that it is very quick. So here you go, within a few seconds, we got this design. I don't know about you guys, but I do like this. I can totally see somebody wearing this in like Vegas or like Miami or wherever you're having a bachelor party. Then we're gonna go to Teespring, which is my preferred print-on-demand platform. I do most of my merch there. We're gonna select a plain black t-shirt, paste the design on it, click continue, and here you go. Here is a bunch of merch ideas. So obviously we don't have a ton of time to go into print on demand in this video. There are so many videos about it on YouTube. Just something I want you to keep in mind, just like with any other business, whether it's print on demand or digital products or whatever it is, it's not one of those things where you can just put the product out there and just like expect to see a bunch of sales. Just just like with any business, you are going to have to work on it. You're going to have to come up with strategies, dedicate time, maybe pay for advertising and things like that for it to take off. So I definitely don't want you to think that this is kind of get rich quick kind of side hustle, because you will have to put in the time. Okay, so the next one on my list is video editing. So obviously there's a huge market for video editors out there. I probably get like emails like every single day asking if I need a video editor for my YouTube channel. So if you have even basic skills in video editing, you can start offering that as a service. And the nice thing is that you can really increase your efficiency and be able to take on way more clients, or, you know, honestly just get into the video editing niche by using AI. So for this side hustle, we're going to use Vid.io, which is also one of my previous partners. We're going to utilize the Magic Cut tool, which pretty much uses AI to remove any long silences, filler words, any awkward moments, and all that happens within just a few seconds. So something that personally used to take me like hours and hours to edit and cut out, you can now get it done in just a few seconds. Obviously, it doesn't fully replace video editing, like especially if you want like more complex videos with different like graphics like I have in my videos. But if you want to do something like create a basic cut, for example, for like interview videos or just like talking head videos that don't require a lot of additional work, this tool can be absolutely perfect and can help you to start generating money by selling video editing services. All right, and then last but not least is you can start a faceless YouTube channel. So I have an entire dedicated video about the side hustle where I really go into details. So if you want to check it out, I'll list it in one of these corners. But pretty much these days you can use AI to generate not just text-based or image-based content, you can also use AI to create full-on videos. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to use Vid.io to create short-form videos that can then help you to generate additional income. So I'm actually going to show you how you can use AI to create these types of videos. So the tool we're going to be using today is called Video GPT, which is an extension of ChatGPT. So pretty much what you can do is you can tell this tool exactly the type of video to make. So you can create a video, you can also create an AI avatar video, you can do AI text-to-speech, and there are also a lot of other cool Vid.io functions that I've spoken about before. But for today, let's do this. We can type in create a fitness motivation video. So they will ask you questions like who is the target audience, the specific fitness messages you want to include, do you want a specific tone and style, or specific exercises, or any motivational quotes. So I'm just going to go ahead and answer all of these questions. Advanced athletes, and I want the tone to be inspiring, no specific quotes. And Video GPT will pretty much create a creative brief for you, which is very similar to how you do it in like a professional agency, which is also really interesting. And if everything looks good to you, all you need to do is to click continue. All right, let's see what we ended up with.
Because this journey of fitness isn't just about physical strength. It's about mental strength too. It's about overcoming challenges, pushing through the pain, and finding satisfaction in hitting personal bests.
Okay, I think this is actually pretty good. And that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these was your favorite, because I'm super curious. And by the way, if you like this video, you might like my passive income ideas for 2024 video, which I will include in one of these corners. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, or at least hit that like button, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!